Imagine having a personal travel planner. That's completely free. Sounds magical, right? This incredible tool helps you plan your dream vacation in just a few minutes. Now you'll spend less time stressing over details and more time sipping cocktails on the beach. With personalized suggestions, the planner caters to your style, whether adventurous or laid back. Ready to experience this magic for yourself? It's only a click away. Use the free AI planner today and make your travel dreams a reality. Don't wait, your adventure starts now.